What's up, folks? This is Global Empire Music YouTube. Please subscribe, like, comment. Today, I'm going to show you how to install Sony Vegas 11 64-bit onto your PC after you download the full program plus the keygen from the link below I have provided. After you download the folder, unzip it, rare file, WinRAR, whatever, you'll get these two, the keygen and the Sony file. Right click and run as administrator. Windows 7 and Vista must run as administrator. Click yes. English, yes. Next. Install current version. Do not download and install newer version because it will mess it up. Agree. Create a desktop shortcut. Install. Remember, this is Vegas 11 64-bit. Vegas Pro 11 has been successfully installed. Click finish. Do not run the program at all. Okay, after you have installed Sony Vegas 11, like I said, do not run it. Go to your keygen, right click, and you must run this as administrative also. Click yes. The annoying music is going to pop up. Find Sony Vegas 11 64-bit. Click patch. I'm going to go to program files. Annoying music. You're going to go back to that though. You're going to have to go back to the keygen, but we'll exit now for the annoying ass music. Click next. Yes. Serial number. Back to the annoying ass keygen. Right click. Run as administrator. Click yes. Once again, find Sony Vegas 11 64-bit. Serial code here. Copy the serial code here. Vegas Pro is now full, live, active, and running forever. Please subscribe and like and comment. More tutorials, more downloads coming soon. Thank you.